Found coffee. You can't drink the water here, so they always have these blue things of water, which is nice that they do that, but it's a beautiful day. One thing I noticed about this house is there's like Christmas everywhere. Like the decor is like Christmas. Christmas. Anyway, maybe they just come up here for Christmas, which is cute. Good morning from my car. I'm on the hunt for coffee. I've had 2 cups of coffee this morning, but black, because I forgot to bring coffee cream or milk or sugar. So I used the coffee that was in the house to make coffee, but there was nothing to go in it. So I'm looking for a place that will make me coffee. And I might have to go to the hotel, because it seems to be the only place in town to get food. There used to be another coffee shop up here, but that's closed temporarily, whatever that means. So I am driving through the bustling metropolis of Cowhead, which is not bustling or a metropolis, but it's cute. Anyway, I wonder if they have coffee at the theater, because they did a rehearsal. It's not even 9 a.m. I doubt there's going to be there. Rehearsal doesn't start till 10. Alright. Might have to go to the hotel. Alright, I am at the theater. I found coffee. Did I say that? I don't even know. I feel like I've been up forever. It's 9:30. I woke up at 5:45. Anyway, let's go in. Rehearsal doesn't start for another half hour. And I need to trim my lips. Dry. So I'm back at the house. Turns out I'm not needed till 2 now. It was supposed to be 10, but now they don't need me till 2. So I didn't need to rush up last night. I could have slept in my own bed. I could have left at noon today and got here in plenty of time. Anyway, I got my coffee. I am going to lie on this couch, which is actually very comfortable. And I might nap. Who knows? But I can edit, so there's something. And I don't have to look after other people, so small wins. Okay, napping's not happening, so I'm gonna just go take a walk. The beach is just right across there, so I might just go take a walk on the beach. Just heads up, it's Cowhead Beach. It's not beach. Although Shallow Bay, just up the road and in the park, there's a beautiful beach up there. So I might do that. Let's see. This is the outside of the little house. There's the door, not the front door, but the back door that is the one that you use, the car. And here's the little house. She's pretty cute. And that's my room right there. The itty bitty tiny room with the creaky hard bed. But anyway, there she is. Also, this is what I was hearing this morning with the trucks. They are paving this road, which I guess it really needed. But yeah, nice to wake up to that. But anyway, it has a lovely aroma as well. It's kind of pretty. Nice when that truck isn't beeping. Anyway, like I said, this is not your typical beach. It's rocky. Yeah, just on the other side of that piece of land, right there, on the other side of that, is Shallow Bay. And that has a sandy beach. So, and last time we were up there, was 2 years ago, and it was so warm and wonderful to play in the water, and it's almost tropical. I think what I'm going to do, because obviously I'm not napping, is I might go take myself back down Sally's Cove to the chip truck place. I say chip truck because it used to be a chip truck. Like, it used to be just a truck. But now they've built a, actual building, but I still call it a chip truck. Anyway, I think I might go down there for lunch. Slightly earlier than lunchtime, just so I can take my time. Anyway, this is proving hard to walk on. I'll find a place where it's not so wobbly. Okay, let's go get some chips. Okay, so I found my chips and they were so good. So I'm heading back to Cowhead now. I'm actually turning off into Cowhead right now. And rehearsal's still not for another 30 minutes, but I got a coffee at the place. My hair is going very floofy, and I don't know what to do about it. Probably just ignore it. I also realized I didn't bring any makeup as such. I brought concealer and eyeliner, mascara, which is usually all I need. But I found lately I find my face patchy, like dark spots. I don't know, it's getting old, I suppose. But it's not evenly toned. That's not it. It's not an even tone. The tone is not even. What am I trying to say? It's not all the same color. I find it's weird. Anyway, I am now rambling. I am very tired because me waking up before 6 a.m. doesn't work for functioning human me. Okay, let's try this again. Empty theater.
Well, here you are, yet again, running the game. Oh, 65, oh, 65. Come on! And you wanted to take some time out, see what other genres you might explore.
So I had dinner with Joel at the hotel, so I didn't actually eat my mac and cheese that I made for dinner, but I will have it tomorrow. And then I came back to the house. I didn't go back to rehearsal tonight because I really didn't need to do anything at all today. Jerry, the director, felt really bad that I was there. He's like, "You don't need to be here." So anyway, I texted him and said, if you needed me, I'll come. But if I can't really help at this point, then I'm going to go back to the house. So I'm hoping I might fall asleep early because I was up so early. I am so tired. But I don't really have anything else to share. So that's it for today. I probably won't vlog tomorrow. Because I will have stuff to do tomorrow. Because we're going to do full run-throughs of the show. So, yeah. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.